candidate number 10.
Walang iba.
And for our best in swimsuit is candidate number 6. Number 6 talaga. Congratulations! Ngayon naman po ay inaayaan ko sa ating stage ang ating judges number 3, 4, and 5 to award Best in Casual Wear and Evening Gown.
Ulit. Sino ba tatawag niya? Sino na kailangan?
Judges number 3, 4, and 5 I request here on stage to award Best in Casual and Best in Gown. And our Best in Casual Wear is candidate number 10. For the Best in Talent, we have candidate number 6. Uy, parang akala nila nagbibiro ako. Number 6 po talaga.
Best in Talent.
And for our Best in Evening Gown is candidate number 10. With an average score of 87%, our fourth runner-up is candidate number.
Kasi hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung cellphone. Buti pa si
Candidate number 5.
Walang picture.
Picture.
Ano daw yung camera? Nasa ilaw. Nasa ilaw.
Next.
Bilip niya ako sa imagination ko.
Ang susunod na kandidata ay may average score of 87.8%. And our third runner-up is candidate number 8. Congratulations, candidate number 8. Now we have the second runner-up with an average score of 90%. Our second runner-up is candidate number Candidate number 7. Congratulations. candidates garner an average score of 91.2%. And our first runner-up is candidate number number 6. Congratulations! Alam niyo na kung sino panalo. At ang nanalo at mag-uuwi ng title na Miss Gay Pangkalawakan 2025 is with an average score of 96%. Our Miss Gay Pangkalawakan 2025 is candidate number candidate number 10. Congratulations! Ayan, dinanyayan po ang ating mga judges para sa photo op. Pwede makita yung tabulation.
Ayan na.
Di ba ako nakasagot? Emi lang. Thank you very much once again sa ating mga candidates. Ayan. Mamaya kayo bumalik sa backstage, magpipicture pa.